Alright, I got great news for those of you who would want a free skin and download Fortnite on your iPhone finally. So, all we have to do is just go into the App Store, you open that up, and just type up Fortnite. So here it is. It's finally available. Before we had to use GeForce in order to play this on your phone. Now they finally made it out again. Alright, so after a few minutes, it should be downloaded and then you can just sign in. So just tap on it, you can continue on. And then if you have already signed into your Epic Games account on your phone on a web browser, it should have your information ready. So that's why it has mine. So it tells me, are you TNDYT, which means Tech and Design YT on YouTube. So I'm gonna say yes, that's me, continue on. And then we're just gonna log in. Once you log in, your phone will flip. So you have to play this way. We're gonna keep voice chat on. You guys can set this up however you like, by the way. And here we go. On the left hand side, you guys will see unlock Yeddy outfit. So that's an option. You guys see that? You guys can just view quests. So here it is. Here's your quest. And you guys will see it's so easy. Mobile app quests, rewards, and then 1 out of 2. Level up from playing Fortnite on mobile app. So that's gonna be so easy. That just means just play the game and you're gonna level up. So we're gonna play the game. We're gonna level up and then we're gonna get the skin. Alright, so if you guys wanna level up and do it the easy way, what I suggest doing is actually not landing right away. Because guess what? You're gonna level up just a tad just by staying alive. That means if you just stay up here, just in the sky, so plan where you're gonna land obviously. But stay in the sky, only land later on, you will level up a little bit because you're going to get some XP just from staying alive. And if you guys want to level up the easiest way, yes. You guys can go ahead and camp a lot, hide, get guns and all that. Now if you're really confident, obviously, yes, go get in some rivals. Click on those rivalries, go after your rivals, kill as many people as you guys can. That's literally the quickest way to level up. Yes, doing that. But other than that, if you guys want the easy way, since you're playing mobile, maybe you guys are just doing this for the free skin, then just do that. Go on and stay alive in whatever way you guys can. Alright, so in this quest, well in this game, I made it to top 7. Which, the only reason is because I met up with somebody and they killed me. But hey, that's all I had to do. And I got this guy ready. So we're going to equip, claim all. We go to our locker and check him out as well. So don't worry about that. But as far as this video goes, we're all done. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.